The nice mulberries. I'm picking, it's come inside my bathroom window. So mulberry is very low in pectin. So this is about 250 grams of mulberries, the equal amount of sugar and water. So maybe I should have put water. And it has very little pectin. So I am jamming guava also that has a lot of pectin. So I will use some of it for my mulberry jam. It will also give a little guava flavor to the guava. So because it doesn't have pectin mulberry, I've put the guava jam I was making just from one guava into this as a source of pectin and slight flavor of guava. And I'm mashing the mulberries because some people don't like these mulberries which they come in the jam. So I'm mashing it. And then I'm putting nutmeg into this. I showed you the nutmeg. Freshly ground nutmeg. That gives the flavor. Nutmeg has a special aroma. After putting nutmeg, see, normally the aroma of guava jam is very strong, but it was only small amount, so it did not give that. Now the nutmeg is giving the aroma and the flavor. Can you see these white spots? These are the seeds of mulberry. They have come when I've sort of I have mashed the mulberries. I will let it be on the heat, open fire for some more time. Then I'll do a test whether it is ready to set or not. I'll show you that test. The aroma of the mulberries, nutmeg, lime and the guavas all mixed together. Wow. And the spoon, which I had sort of kept in the freezer for a few minutes, I'll pour it into this and let me see how it goes. If it sort of sets, then it is ready, done. Yeah. Within a minute of this jelly coming into the spoon, you can see it is set, it is not moving, and the surface of it, you can see it is set. In half an hour of cooling, you see it has become thick, now ready to be bottled. Now what do I have this super delicious mulberry jam. So I used 250 grams of mulberries which I plucked from my tree in the garden. I had sugar around 400 grams and then lime, 3-4 limes, nutmeg and 1 guava I used because to get pectin and also add some flavor. So now we have yummy mulberry jam, yummy.